Welcome, follow crypto Chad. So today I'm going to have a look at the Ethereum price and why I think Ethereum and possibly even Link are going to explode over Bitcoin. Now this has been on the cards for a while, so it shouldn't come any surprise, but because Bitcoin has been going down, it's been taking pretty much everything along down with it, even Ethereum for the big dumps, but it has popped back up. So when we had that big dump from Bitcoin, Ethereum went from an all-time high of 2,500 all the way back down to 1,900. But now we're retesting the all-time high again. Now why is this? Why is when Bitcoin is nowhere near its all-time high, why is Ethereum testing its all-time high? Well, this has been on the cards for a while, like I said. If you start looking at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin charts, this is when you're going to get a better picture of exactly why Ethereum is going to explode over Bitcoin. So let's look at the weekly on the Ethereum versus Bitcoin and not Ethereum versus USD. So let's have a look. Can you see here how it's broken that long-term downtrend that has started from 29th of May 2017 and held from now, and just now it's broken through. You've got the weekly MACD also crossing over. So this looks really positive. Now if this goes up against Bitcoin, you could really see a 4,000, 6,000 Ethereum very quickly. So when you're doing your analysis, always important to not just do your alt versus USDT, but also your alt versus Bitcoin, because you're going to see how well it can do over Bitcoin to make more Bitcoin, because that's really what you want to do, or more Ethereum. You know, a lot of people like Ethereum as well. Now I do have some concerns around this, because usually, well, last time this happened, the Bitcoin dominance fell. So Bitcoin went from 20k all the way down to about 17 or something like that, and Ethereum actually went to 1500, and this is when people were calling for the flipping in. Right, so a Bitcoin price went down and Ethereum price went up. People were thinking, okay, Ethereum's going to flip Bitcoin. It never happened. All it did was mark the very end of the bull market. So when Bitcoin topped out, we still had a couple of weeks of the altcoins really exploding. But after that, everything dumped. So I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but that's what happened last time. Since then, the Bitcoin dominance has just been going up and up and up. And only recently, sorry, there's a really messy chart here. Only recently has it really started to dump now. Now we've still got a long way to go to get to the last low of the Bitcoin dominance, around about 40 here. If we get here, this could really spell the end of the bull market. Now, I'm not sure if the hyper cycle has changed now and that we may be entering a longer term bull market. However, I think if we come down here, the alts are going to absolutely explode. And I don't think every alt's going to explode like last time, because last time you had about 1,000 alts. Now you have about 30,000 alts. So you have to be in the right alts. So keep an eye on this when you're doing your analysis. Look at the alt versus BTC charts. Let's look at Link versus BTC as well. Now if you can see here, Link has done very little in this bull run, and again you can see the MACD on the weekly has crossed over. The Link price has gone down against Bitcoin. Now it's starting to make a comeback. So keep a watch on Link, keep a watch of Ethereum. They could both go absolutely parabolic, and it's about time too. I don't think we end this bull run with Ethereum at just above its all-time high and Chainlink at $34. I just don't think that's how we end it. So keep an eye on that, guys. Stay safe. There's not financial advice, it's just entertainment. Be cool, be safe, be secure. Take care.